Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. In today's story, we're diving into a powerful life lesson: how to stop working for money and start making your money work for you through passive income. The secret to passive income. Welcome to a new tale. Today, we follow the journey of Leo, a determined young man living in the vibrant coastal town of Silver Bay. Leo's ambition. At 25 years old, Leo spent his days working at a local hardware store. He had been at this job for 5 years, eventually climbing the ranks from a floor assistant to a senior supervisor. For the past 3 years, Leo had been consistently saving his earnings, but he felt his money was growing too slowly. Leo began to wonder how he could make his money work for him instead of waiting for it to grow little by little. He didn't have time for a second job, as the hardware store consumed most of his day. On his day off, he decided to seek advice from Mr. Sterling, a wealthy man in the neighboring town of Oakhaven. Mr. Sterling was well known for his vast assets and businesses, which earned him wealth without much effort. The 7 steps of Mr. Sterling. Upon arriving at Mr. Sterling's estate, Leo found him relaxing on a porch overlooking a quiet lake. After Leo shared his goals, Mr. Sterling smiled. "It's never too early to learn about passive income," he said. "If you can manage just $1,000, imagine what you could do with more." Mr. Sterling shared these 7 essential steps. 1. Save, don't borrow. Start with your own money. Work hard and save up, even if it's a small amount. Avoid taking out loans for your first investments. 2. Delay gratification. Resist the urge to buy luxury items like fancy phones or cars. These items depreciate, lose value, quickly. Use that money to build your income streams first. 3. Find opportunities. Look around your surroundings or the internet. Mr. Sterling pointed out a neighbor who started a small laundry service and another who rented out storage space. 4. Start small and act. Don't wait for a perfect plan. Start small to reduce your risk and learn as you go. 5. Reinvest and scale. As your passive income starts working, use the profits to grow that business further. 6. Diversify. Don't rely on just one source. Once the first stream is stable, start a second one to maximize profits and reduce risk. 7. Be patient. Building wealth takes time. Stay consistent and keep learning so you don't fall behind. A new chapter. Leo left Oakhaven feeling empowered. He realized that by opening his mind to the opportunities in Silver Bay, he could finally start his journey toward financial freedom. After a pleasant lunch with Mr. Sterling's family, Leo headed home, ready to put his savings to work. Vocabulary review. To help you with your English journey, let's look at the key terms from Leo's story. Word. Definition. Example sentence. Passive income. Money earned with little to no ongoing effort. Leo wanted to earn passive income so he could travel more. Asset. Something valuable that can bring future benefits. The delivery van is a valuable asset for the business. Consistent. Doing something regularly and steadily. Consistent saving helped Leo build his initial capital. Capital. Money used to start or grow a business. He needed more capital to open a second hardware store. Depreciate. To decrease in value over time. New cars depreciate the moment you drive them off the lot. And that brings us to the end of Leo's journey. Remember, the best time to start making your money work for you was yesterday, but the second best time is today. We hope these 7 steps and our new vocabulary words have inspired you to take action in both your finances and your English studies. If you enjoyed this tale, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep writing your own story. See you in the next one.